Welcome back, everyone. So today we're gonna make some Shin Ramen. We're gonna spice it up with a little egg, kimchi, green onion, and some garlic. This is what it's gonna look like, and let's get started. First, we're gonna do is cut the green onion. Next, we're going to, I think we're gonna peel the garlic. Just one garlic for this, doing more than one garlic because that's just too much. Dice it finely right here. Next, we need, nope, we're not gonna hit it. We're gonna put the egg in a bowl. And when we mix the egg in a bowl, I'm gonna save this for later. Okay, so we're gonna kind of cook this at the end, which you'll see. Next, we're gonna need some kimchi. This kimchi is about 3 weeks old. If you wanna know how to make kimchi, I did a video on it. You can look it up. But I don't know. I think adding kimchi is gonna, spice it up. So if you don't want plain Shin Ramen, you can, try this recipe. And it's pretty good, actually. I ate this pretty fast after I made it. So just dice up the kimchi like so, put it in a bowl. There we go. Next, we're gonna pour 500 milliliters of water. I think that's the perfect amount. Anything less is too little. So once the water is boiling, we're gonna add in the garlic first. Put that in there, just like that. Next, we're gonna add in that kimchi we diced up. And it's gonna cool the water for a second, but it'll go back to boil in about a minute or so. We'll let this cook for about 2 minutes, to get all that flavor in, and just 2 minutes. You know what I mean? It looks like that after 2 minutes. Next, we're gonna add in the noodles. So right now, I'm cracking open the bag, and I'm breaking it in about 4 pieces. And I'm gonna place the noodles right in there. This already looks pretty amazing, to be honest. And we're gonna crack open this little seasoning packet, which has, actually this is like the seaweed spice packet. This next packet's the spice seasoning packet. And we're gonna stir this for about 2 to 3 minutes, okay? So if you like it well cooked, 3 minutes. I like mine about 80% cooked because I don't like my noodles soggy, so I'll cook it for about 2 minutes. And what we're gonna do now is we're gonna get a bowl, and we're just gonna take out the kimchi in the noodles. We're gonna put the kimchi and the noodles in a bowl, okay? And you'll see why later, because you don't want to add the egg in now, because it's gonna like overflow and get all nasty. So this is the bowl now with no noodles and kimchi. The noodles are in a bowl. Now we're gonna add in some green onions. Whatever amount you like, So if you like more, add more. If you like less, add less. And we add in that one egg. Honestly, I cooked this egg for about 30 seconds to a minute. Really, it cooks really fast. So just right when you add the egg in, stir it so it doesn't stick to the bottom. Now we're gonna pour the egg and the rest of the juices back onto the noodles. And this smells truly amazing. It's delicious. Spicy, you can smell the kimchi. Look at that. I like a little bit more green onions, so I'm gonna add a couple more green onions on it, and it's time to eat. So if you like this video, like and subscribe, and have a great night, and I'll see you guys later, and take care. All right, goodbye.